Today is a brand new day, a fresh morning, a fresh start for you to make whatever you so wish of this new beginning. This moment is a gift. It is a present from the universe for you and only you to enjoy in bliss, enjoy in love and gratitude. So firstly, I want you to gently close your eyes while you sit in a comfortable position and bring your attention to your breath. Take a deep breath in and slowly out. Another deep breath in. Hold it and slowly exhale. One more time. Inhale through your nose and exhale. Continue this mindful inhaling and exhaling. And while you do this, I want you to bring attention to the bliss of every in-breath. Feel how it fills you up with life, with universal energy, with love. And feel the gratitude that is in this very moment. Feel how it fills your chest, filling your heart with this divine, infinite energy. And I want you to take a moment as you inhale and exhale to really express this gratitude with every breath out that you take. I want you to hear the words and say the words in your head. Thank you. Now take a deep inhale. Hold it. And as you exhale, say thank you. One more time, deep inhale, hold, and exhale, saying thank you. One more time, take a deep inhale, fill your lungs with the feeling of love, filling you up every single part of your body. Hold and exhale. Thank you. Today is a brand new day, and it will not be like any other day that you've ever had, and it will not be like any day that you will have. Today is a unique opportunity, and you have the power to make of it what you so desire. Because you are infinite, just like the breath that you take in and you exhale from an infinite source of energy that is within us, that with which we are one. You are as powerful as the universe is. As we are the universe, we are a mere expression of the universe. And that is exactly why you have the power today to make a miracle happen. Know in your heart that it is possible. As you keep Inhaling and exhaling. I want you to feel the energy becoming more strong, more powerful, and feel the vibration in your body as you inhale, hold, and exhale. Thank you. And as you continue this breath work, I would like you to start visualizing with every inhale a ball of energy in your heart center, in the heart chakra, the very center of your being. Every inhale as you take, this ball of energy becomes brighter and bigger, brighter and bigger. So big that it expands and shines so bright that it fills your aura and it starts to fill your surroundings. And you can feel the goosebumps in your skin. You can feel the energy around you. That is pure source. This is energy. You are in oneness with every single thing that is of this universe. The universe is you, and you are the universe. And with this energy, you will carry with you for the rest of your day, feeling empowered, knowing that you are one with all. You are limitless. You are love. I want you to repeat after me. I am love. I am grateful. I am thankful. I am limitless. I am one with the universe. I am. I am. I am. Feel the energy. Feel every single cell of your body from the tip of your toes, rising through your body up to your head. With every inhale, imagine the light and the energy filling your body and becoming more stronger. Feel it surround your body as it continues to become bigger and stronger. Take a deep breath in, hold, and exhale. Now, set some powerful intention for the day. Visualize in your mind how you would want your day to be like. With smile, with laughter, positivity, having success, and confidence. Visualize it. And really feel how it feels to have your day filled with positivity. Hold that image in your mind and put a big smile on your face as you visualize it. Feel the positivity. Feel grateful. Feel it in your heart. You deserve to have a day filled with love and positivity. Know that you deserve it. You are a very special and a beautiful soul. Go out there and shine your light. And have a beautiful day.